Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can create and then add audio or video file to text message. First of all, open Messages app and select or create a chat. When you're ready, hit on this plus at the bottom left corner. And then to create and add a video file, select Camera. Now switch to video mode and start recording. If you wish to redo your video, click on Retake at the top left corner and then record the other one. In order to save it right away, click on blue button at the bottom right corner. To only add it, tap on Done at the top one. As you can see, after that, my video file was successfully added. To add an audio one, click on the same plus, but this time select Audio section and start talking right away. When you're finished, click on this button at the bottom right corner. Now you can listen to your recording by hitting play button and send it right away by choosing this green one, or discard it by tapping on the X. Start talking. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!